You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing Hebrew names from the Bible in particular, biblical names that are confusing, stay tuned. We've got many more coming up. I'll link to a few for you at the end of the video. The Hebrew pronunciation, Amraphel in English, therefore the pronunciation is generally as how to pronounce Amraphel, Amraphel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.